Okay, I am aware that I look like a freaking cotton swab right now. This is a cotton swab and my face is the earwax. Today, I'm gonna be telling a wonderful story about how I dyed my hair twice this week and miserably failed both times. Oh, is that like a huge chunk of dandruff? No! Oh my god, that is nasty. Okay, so my hair looks gross. I haven't washed it in like 2 days because Brad Mondo told me that to do this, you dye your hair, you have to wait for it to be like super oily and gross to protect it. I either want this to look so fantastic that I'll be like I'm bringing sexy natural glowy goddess, or I want it to go so wrong that Brad Mondo has to react to me. Either way, I think it's a win-win. So I got this like really terrible shirt that I don't care about. Oh, by the way, before I forget, I'm also gonna tell some wonderful story times about my high school. Oh shit, there's like a clip in there. There's a clip in there, there's dandruff in there. Is there a buried treasure? Is my ex in there? Is my dad there? My hair is naturally very dark. The darkness of my hair just accentuates how pale I am. Like, I'm so pale, like I look like a ghost. Like if anybody were to try to kidnap me and they flash a light on me, they're gonna think that I'm their dead aunt or something. So that's why I'm dyeing my hair, and also for views. And then it gets 0 views. Ugh, that would suck. So I got a wonderful dye. We're gonna open it in front of you because I know that that is satisfying. Let's just spray it with some alcohol. We don't want any of you Miss Rona. I'm gonna open it like Mateo style, like that guy who opened his Xbox or something. PS4, PS3, PS5. I don't know, how many PSs are there? PMS? I have PMS. Because he opened his like a freaking maniac.
I just broke it. Sorry.
Ooh. Let's open it up. Oh yes. Oh yes, baby. I know how to use this because I literally dye my mom's hair all the time. Am I gonna look like her? Yeah? I mean, it's just like a brown color, I'm not dyeing it pink or anything. I'm sorry if that's a little underwhelming for you. Now, is this one box going to be enough for my thick and long hair?
Probably not.
I'm cheap as okay, like I didn't want to buy 2 because this is like 300, that would be 600, and that's gonna be like way too much out of my wallet. Like, oh, that was not satisfying. Ooh, ta-da! Everything reminds me of him. This is supposed to protect my hair. Wait, oh my god, I'm supposed to like brush my hair. Oh my god, my hair is gonna look so ugly when I brush it. I look like bloody Hagrid in hopes that it will. Okay, I got a little too excited. I'm protecting you, baby. Do you feel protected? I'll protect you so hard. I'm gonna protect you, you dry, damaged piece of shit. Does my mom know that I'm doing this, you might ask? No. Tomorrow, I'm just gonna be like, hey mom, surprise! I did the one thing you told me to never do other than get pregnant. Haha. Ew, feels like a pigeon is shitting on me. Last thing I want is for it to turn orange. If it turns orange, I'm literally gonna kill myself. I'm just kidding, I'm not gonna kill myself. Can't believe I'm doing this. This is the first time ever dyeing my hair. Should I keep doing this? I think my black hair is nice. Oh my god, am I going? Oh my god, wait, there's no holding back. Okay, you know what? I bought it, I spent money for it. I can't waste my money. I'll do anything except waste my money. So I'm gonna put this into this. Oh my god, what is that sound? Like, is my house getting haunted or possessed right now? Because like, not now, love. I'm trying to film a video. Ooh. So I'm gonna do my story time because believe it or not, people actually like my story time. Although a lot of you guys didn't watch it because you guys are fake. I'm kidding. So in my old school, we have this thing called a business simulation. So when the entire class has to simulate an actual restaurant. We have like an entire space rented out, like reserved by the school to be an actual restaurant. And shake vigorously. Where was I? Okay, so it's a pretty big deal. It's not like stalls, it's not like booths. It's literally like Gordon Ramsay Hell's Kitchen type of thing. Everybody's like, you better get that shit right. We're not like serving Greyhound balls or quack or any of that. We're serving like actual ratatouille, okay? It goes on for 2 to 3 days, but it was already the last day. So the simulation was already done. Everybody's like chilling in the hallway, extremely tired. I'm tired. I'm like so proud about how the entire execution of the restaurant was because like I was the manager and I was like fresh from a breakup and I'm like, yes, I deserve this. I I don't need no man. Like, we earned so much. That's a flex, okay? Our business simulation was literally iconic, babe. It was iconic, love. Okay, I have to snap this off. Hold on. Oh my god, I'm scared. Oh my god, I'm literally scared. Please don't explode. I have to like cut this tip off like a circumcision. I don't know. That's not how circumcision works. Oh, it's oozing. It's oozing. Oh dear, I'm wasting. I'm bloody wasting it. I don't want to waste it. Get on my hair. Get on my hair. So there's like a terrible ponytail in there. This is a lot of multitasking, by the way. Oh my god, I'm so scared. I'm literally so scared. Okay, so you're supposed to start in the middle. Oh my god, it's so much more different now that I'm doing it on myself. Oh my god, am I really doing this? I actually freaking did it. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so dramatic. I'm so sorry. I'm actually doing this. Should I stop? You know, I'm already doing it. There's no going back. Oh my god, it smells so bad. Oh, it's like hurting my eyes. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. What is happening? Am I gonna go to the hospital tonight? There's no going back. Ah! Oh my god, it's literally stained my eyes. Okay, that's the first part. Should I just stop? Should I wash this off? Press 5 if you think I should wash it off. No, whatever. It's a look. Beautiful. Okay, back to my story time. So since it is a restaurant, there are a lot of spare ingredients. So I was there, I was just chilling in the hallway, minding my own business, and then suddenly I feel this wonderful presence behind me. As this presence was getting closer and closer and closer towards me, an egg gets smashed into my head, and I'm like, and then I turn around. Oh my god, I don't know if I should name them. I'll just use code names. It's two stupid classmates of mine. The first one's name is, we'll call him Spike, because he has spiky hair. The second is, let's call him Waffle, because he's half Belgian. That's like literally the most overrated name I have for him. Suddenly, the person next to me, let's call her Cheeks, because she has really cute cheeks. She has a great smile. So she's also like, so me and her both have eggs on our hair. Like, we look like this. This is what we look like. We had eggs in our hair, right? They cracked. They broke actual eggs into our head. Like, they just smashed it onto our head. And then Cheeks was like running around, chasing Spike, being like, I'm gonna kill him. It's an open area. There's like approximately 15 to 20 people. And then there she's just like running and being like, with a freaking egg on her hair. And I'm like just there and I'm like, so everybody's like laughing and screaming, like it's like really fun, okay? Like, it's not like a bullying thing, it's just like a fun little moment between idiotic children. But then I hear a teacher coming. Spike is literally the rowdiest boy ever. You know how like you always have that kid, that boy in school that is like the rowdiest freaking tornado ever? That's him, that's Spike. So this teacher screams across the hallway, like calls him by his last name. He was like, Mr. Spike! And then me and Cheeks were literally like, oh shit. And then we literally run for our lives and be like, oh my god, we don't want to get in trouble. Just so you know, I am such a good child, okay? I rarely, very rarely ever got in trouble in school. Because I was just like, I was very scared of authority. I don't like getting in trouble. So me and Cheeks are literally like running towards like the exit. There's an exit in the back and we just have like a full-on egg in our hair. Like we have like an actual fucking omelet on our head. So Spike and Waffle are literally caught, right? So they're like already in the office and then we're like, what do we do? What do we do? Me and Cheeks like literally just go home. If you live in my country, you know how freaking hot this country is, okay? That egg on my hair was literally cooking. Like if you add a little flour and sugar in there, I would have a birthday cake on my head. And then the next day, I'm like trying to like forget about it, like whatever, you know? They don't freaking care. I'm just like a victim in this situation. I feel like I'm doing this all wrong. You're like a hairstylist. I don't need you to correct me because honestly, I'll never do this ever again. It's hurting my eyes so. It's like hurting my respiratory system. Oh my god. Oh my god, is this corona? Am I getting corona right now? I really thought everything was gonna be fine. Like our freaking restaurant was already going amazing, having the time of my life, but no, okay? I was really sad because I went through a breakup and then I was really happy because our restaurant was like so successful, but then you know who took my happiness away? These two voice. So I'm gonna do the back part, or just do a little beard moment. Next day in school, everybody's like, dude, you're in trouble, bro, because you got egg. I'm used to having friends that are very stupid and get into a lot of trouble, but I'm usually not one of those people who get in trouble. So we were like in class. Whilst our session, a teacher was like, knock, knock, knock. I am looking for Miss Cheeks and Miss Veridiano. And I'm like, so he like takes us to his office and we're like sitting there, typical high school movie style. We were like waiting for this guy to come into his office. Like he was like letting us wait there in pure agony for such a long time in his office. And then I remember me and she literally took a selfie and we were like selfie before getting suspended. Like it was literally our graduating year. Like, oh my god, we're not gonna graduate because of how stupid our classmates are. Like I hate them so much. They're so dumb. So the principal called us. Well, I don't know if he's a principal. I forgot what he's called. He's not the principal. He's like a religious person. I don't know, probably like the priest of the school, the reverend, the messiah himself. I don't know. I'm gonna say this in Tagalog because it sounds so much funnier. But then he goes, okay, bakit ka initlugan ni Spike at ni Waffle? Okay, so in English, that means why did Spike and Waffle egg you? But in Tagalog, it directly translates to why did Spike and Waffle lay an egg on you? And egg also kind of means nut or balls in the Philippines. So we're like really scared, right? And then he says that. Me and Cheeks were like, he was like, okay, so why did that happen? How did it come to that? Who started it? And we were like, we're literally just like victims in this situation. Threatening us and being like, he was telling me, miss, aren't you gonna move schools? Aren't you gonna go to university? Something as serious as this, we're gonna make sure you're not gonna get to that school. And I'm like, what? Something as serious as getting egged in the head? What? The meeting ends. He lets us go back to our peaceful lives. So when we get back in the classroom, like after he like threatens us, and then we go to Spike and Waffle. I freaking hate you, Spike and Waffle. You suck, you're gonna ruin my life. And then Spike and Waffle are like so used to getting in trouble. If you know me and you think I'm freaking demonic, you should see all the other assholes in my school, bro. But I love them so much. After the little meeting in his office, I think the reverend just forgot about it in total because he never brought it up again. We were never called again, and guess what? I'm in the university now, so
get me now. Oh.
Now I'm gonna do the roots. Ow! It's spicy on the scalp. It's so spicy. Ow, it's literally burning my eyes. I'm gonna die. It's like eating out my brain. I'm so sorry, Dai, but there is not a lot of brain for you to eat up. Oh my god.
Is it bleeding?
Oh my god. I thought I was gonna knock over the camera. I would literally cry if that happened. You'll see this. It reminds me of protective gear for coronavirus. You know, I really hate the term new normal. It's such a stupid term because I feel like it's like giving up. It's just being like, oh, it's gonna be a problem forever. Might as well just get used to it. Like, why would you want to get used to that? Like, do something about it. Like, you can't just like wait for a miracle vaccine. You guys want to know what time it is? It's literally like 12 a.m. What time is it? 12 a.m. Time for a bad decision. Ow, ouch, ouch, ouch. That is burning me. I'm not being dramatic, by the way. I'm not being like, oh, it's like staining my eyes, it's like burning me. It literally hurts. Ouch. Ah. The fumes are literally getting to my brain. I'm fucking high now, bro. I can't see what I'm doing, but you can. Be my guy. Press 6 if you think I should move a little bit to the left. Is there any like local Filipino hairstylist YouTuber? Because I would like to get clout from them. I give you full permission to roast me. Sponsor me, L'Oreal. Literally, L'Oreal does not need me to sponsor. This is so much work. I was standing up the entire time I was doing this. Can you give me props? I have not stood up this long since I left my house. I don't know if this is the color of my hair or if it's blood. I hope it's blood because I don't want this color. If you want, you should share a little story about how you got in trouble in high school or in school before. Comment down below. Why is this orange? I'm so scared. terrible, terrible mistake. Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? I don't know what I did wrong. We need to talk. Let's diagnose the issue. First of all, nothing crazy happened everywhere else, but the roots. Oh dear. It looks like Rumpelstiltskin is about to jump out. I don't understand. I don't understand what I did wrong. I know for a fact that the roots are supposed to develop a lot faster because of the heat of the head. But I started in the middle. Y'all saw me. I started in the middle to the end and then I did the roots last. Like, what did I do wrong? Why is the roots so much lighter? And like honestly the rest of the hair is nice. But like this is literally orange and I already used my purple shampoo. I think maybe if I use it a little bit more it's gonna go away, but this is straight up orange and it's not a good look. Where did I mess up? L'Oreal is just misogynistic. Or are you racist, you stupid white son of a bitch? I don't look like her at all. This is what it looks like up close. It's actually pretty okay. But this part, honey, what are you? We're gonna do an update tomorrow morning. I'm gonna go to bed and cry. First time, what I did wrong was I put way too much dye on the roots and not enough on the middle to the end. I'm back and I'm about to fix my abomination of a hairstyle. The second time is I thought that I didn't need to buy the oxidizing whatever stuff because I'm such a cheapo, okay? Like this. Ew, I look so bad. And now I'm gonna reveal what my hair looks like. So this is what my hair looks like now. Honestly, I'm really into it. Like the roots are a lot darker than they were before. I mean, the roots are still pretty light, but it's definitely not as light as before. I'm gonna be fixing this with the darker dye. I'm gonna buy the oxidizing stuff now and another dye so that I can really do this properly. But I need to post this video in like 2 hours and I'm not even done editing. So if I manage to like post this on time, I'm gonna be very impressed with myself. But this is what my hair looks like now. This is the color. Nice. Ta-da! I mean, it's very natch, you know? People are gonna be like, see me under the sun. They're gonna be like, oh my god, your hair is brown. I'm like, yeah, I totally didn't dye it like twice and failed miserably both times. I don't know how the back looks like, but you know how the back looks like. I'm sorry you had to watch like a long ass video only to see like really minor changes, but yeah, thank you guys for watching if you actually made it to the end. Thank you for 14K, what the hell? Click subscribe and then unsubscribe and then click subscribe again. Outro.